Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Google Wallet. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Wallet and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Google Wallet. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us by like and